will discuss the elderly. First, let's start with the definition and classification of the elderly nursing. Please explain.
Elderly is someone who has reached the age of 60 years and above. The number of elderly in the world is 703 million people, becoming 9% in 2019. The elderly population in Indonesia, based on Riskesdas 2080, is projected to reach a million people or of total population in Indonesia.
For the classification of the elderly according to WHO 2013, the classification of the elderly is follows: make the age, namely the age group 45 to 54 years elderly, namely the age group 55 to 65 years. Young elderly, namely the age group 66 to 74 years old. Elderly, namely the age group 75 to 19 years. Very old elderly, namely the age group over 90 years.
Common diseases found in the elderly include hypertension, disease as much as 16.3.6%, diabetes mellitus 5.7%, heart disease 4.5%, stroke 4.4%, disorder skin 0.8%, and elderly people suffering from cancer as much as 0.4%. Hypertension become the main problem of disease suffer elderly. The problem with the elderly regarding BPJS health is that the elderly still do not understand how to obtain and the stages of treatment assume BPJS, starting from the first level heart service referral to the highest level heart service referral. The elderly also do not receive maximum information regarding BPJS health insurance.
Are there any questions?
What should be done to prevent those diseases?
For prevention, elderly individuals face a high risk to degenerative disease, often recognized only when severe and complicated, leading to higher morbidity, mortality, and reduced quality of life. Lack of information on the disease and limited access to healthy services are key factors in the high incidence of complications. To address this, the government and private sector have established elderly health quotient to provide healthy service, information, and education. Preventive measures such as screening and counseling can improve elderly self-care, lifestyle, and disease control. Early prevention and awareness efforts can help mitigate degenerative disease.
Should the family play a direct role in caring for the elderly? Families are not obligated to care for the elderly directly. There are professional care services like home nurses and nursing homes. However, the family's role remains important: decision making and emotional support. The government also provides care insurance that help cover the cost of elderly care.
Is insurance expensive?
Care insurance isn't too expensive because it is deductible from monthly salaries, and a part of it is covered by the employer. This insurance helps cover most care costs, although for intensive care families may need to add some of their own fund.
Living in a nursing home works.
This can be explained by the nursing home staff, please.
Okay, the elderly are generally guaranteed care if they live in a nursing home, as the facilities are monitored and regulated by government to encourage good care standards. Nursing homes provide medical services, daily care, and emotional support. However, the quality of nursing homes can vary depending on the facilities and cost. Care insurance usually covers most the expenses, but families often still need to add costs depending on the type of service required.
Facility are provided there.
Okay, nursing home provide comprehensive facility for elderly, including medical care, personal assistance such as bathing and eating, and 24-hour nursing service. They also offer social activity to maintain mental and physical health, as well as meal to dietary needs of elderly. In addition, there are rehabilitation services like psychotherapy, hygiene, and psychosocial support to ensure the elderly live comfortable and secure.
Can families still meet the elderly?
Yes, families can meet their elderly relatives living in nursing home in Germany. Visits are usually allowed and even encouraged to support the emotional well-being of the elderly. Each nursing home may have specific rules about visiting hours, but generally, families can come to visit and be involved in their care.
I'm glad to hear that I can feel more at ease my parents live there.
Is there anything else anyone would like to add? If not, we will conclude the explanation. Now let's tour the nursing home to see the facilities.